Hi, Dave here for RealWheels Corporation, showing off our new custom Emblem billet truck pedals. Now both the Kenworth and Peterbilt pedals feature interchangeable emblem plates for the ultimate pedal upgrade. All of these high-quality custom billet pedals are like jewelry for your truck. Other pedals on the market don't even come close. Best of all, they're made right here in the USA at our factory in Gurnee, Illinois. The pedals are precision machined from solid blocks of billet aluminum and feature a wide 5/8 inch thick side profile. Currently available for Peterbilt, Kenworth, and Freightliner, each pedal set includes a gas, brake, and clutch pedal, all designed for easy installation. RealWheels offers two styles of pedals. First, we have our polished raised pyramid diamond pattern. This pattern reflects light in all directions and offers an unbelievable non-slip surface. We also have a durable black anodized finish with a flat pyramid diamond pattern and polished highlights. Whatever style you choose, you'll be pleased the way these pedals set your truck interior apart. The Kenworth and Peterbilt pedals come standard with the RWC truck emblem plate. However, other emblem plates are available to personalize your pedals. Installing the emblem plates is easy. Simply remove the 3M tape and press in place. In dealers, the pedals are attractively packaged with a full color label. Each pedal set is protectively nested in foam to protect the pedals and highlight the craftsmanship. In addition, a POP display is available for free with a qualifying order. For more information, including specific models to fit your truck, go to RealWheels.com or give us a call at 1-800-982-1180. And to receive notifications of new videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.